y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and happy 2024. It's that time of year where I do a look back at 2023 and I tell you my top 5 favorite videos. So I'll tell you my favorite guest star, I'll tell you my favorite drink recipe, I'll tell you my favorite vegan meal, I'll tell you my favorite non-recipe video, and there's one more, my favorite sweet treat. But this year, I thought we should spice things up a little bit, and before we get into this review, let's get a nice little mocktail in our hand to reminisce about last year. What you're gonna do is take your peeled and quartered orange, add it to your blender, then I've got 2 pieces of ginger, and then I'm going in with a half a cup of coconut water that has the pulp. Then you wanna make sure that you blend everything till it's nice and smooth. And now I'm going to do a rim for my glass. I'm using date syrup. You can use honey or agave, whatever you like. Shout out to these really nice glasses I got for Christmas. So it's a sugar and tahini rim. Y'all can tell I don't drink and that I have never done this before. That's why it looks a little crazy. It's okay, it still tastes good. So, gonna fill that up with ice. Then I got 1.5 ounces of our mixture that's been strained, and then 3 ounces of some sparkling water. All right, y'all, we're back with our drink in hand. Let me give it a little sippy sippy. Okay, it smells delicious. Okay, let's get into it. Let's talk about my 5 favorite videos from 2023. So starting off with my favorite drink recipe. I think I know which one it's gonna be for 2024. But my favorite drink recipe was the carrot juice, and the reason is I had low expectations, and then it turned out being poppin'. And it was so easy to make, and I was surprised at how much carrot juice I made and how quickly I went through it. It was just that good. Okay, next up, my favorite guest star. I feel like I need to start by giving a honorable mention to everybody that participated in the show this year. So thank you, Matthew. Thank you, Nana. Thank you for everybody who did an Instagram taste test. I appreciate all of you. But the favorite guest star has to be my nephew, Mac. He did an amazing job in that ice cream review. I mean, he's giving you genuine critiques on what he thought about those ice creams. And so it was just 10 out of 10, you know. I heard a lot of positive feedback that you guys would like to see him back on the channel. So we are in contact with his people. His people are talking to my people to see how we can make that happen again. All right. Next up, for my favorite non-recipe video, I have to go back to the beginning of the year when I was injured and recovering, and I was sampling a lot of foods at home. And so I'm gonna give it to the first review that I did in 2023, which was Tabitha Brown's collab with Target. Y'all, my facial expressions in that video, hilarious. Also, there were so many things, and I feel like it's a snapshot into history because we never know if she's gonna bring us back another collab. So I felt like it was important to be a part of history at that time, so that was really cool. Okay, on to my favorite meal of 2023. It has to go to my cauliflower tacos because 1, those joints are so easy to make and the flavor profile is crazy. So if you didn't try that in 2023, you need to try it in 2024, period. All right, and the last one is my favorite sweet treat. And I'm gonna go with my favorite sweet treat for the same reason I went with the last one, and that was because of how easy it was. It's gotta be that blueberry coconut soda cake. Y'all, I have made that recipe so many times with other jam or preserves, and it hits every single time. It does not disappoint, and yeah. So the goal is always to do these videos in less than 5 minutes, and I think we succeeded. So that's what I liked in 2023. Tell me what you liked in the comment section below. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.